Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to walk you through our resume template within our digital life planner. So each template comes with step-by-step instructions under Start Here. Once you're comfortable with the template, you can delete those. For the resume template, you're going to start by adding your first and last name, your profession, contact information, and then there's an About Me section. You are going to add your skills below. To add a new skill, you just select New, and then you can add the name of the skill. You can select that drop down to categorize it or add a type. And then obviously you can add description, skill level, and add or delete any of these properties as you see fit. To delete a skill, you're going to hit those three dots and click delete. And then we also have similar functionality under expertise and language. Below your skills, you're going to add your experience, so your previous job titles, organizations, the dates you worked that job, and then insert your overview and responsibilities and any accomplishments. Below your experience, there's an education area, and that is pretty much it.